Hello and welcome to our next lecture from this email marketing passive income course. In this lecture, I want to show you some resources that you can use in order to create your emails, to write your emails and your series of follow-ups for your email marketing funnel if you don't want to write them your own, obviously. And this is also a place where you can, a resource that you can use in order to create lead magnets for your opt-in pages, for your landing pages, and so on. So the lead magnets like ebooks, PDFs, and so on that you can give out to your subscribers when they come to your landing page and they want to subscribe to your page. Okay, so one of the first places where you want to go is Fiverr.com. I think it's one of the most popular platforms out there on the web for freelancers. You can buy here services as cheap as $5. Okay, so very cheap. And what you want to do is go ahead on Fiverr. You will see that this is how the platform looks like if you haven't been already on it. You go and search for lead magnet. Okay, for example, if you want to create a lead magnet. And if you scroll down, you will see that you have a lot of options. I will design a stunning PDF lead magnet. I will revamp your PDF lead magnet. Okay, you can see that you have here different options. Basically, a lot of these people only do the design, but you can see here that I will ghostwrite. Okay, this one ghostwrites. I will do ebook format. I will write a perfect lead magnet. So this one is, for example, $40, which is not bad at all. I will create a compelling and powerful lead magnet, $250. This one is a little bit expensive. This one is $20, so it's pretty good. Anyway, you have a lot of options from ranging from $20 or $15 to up to $250 if you want probably something more complex. Okay, but be sure to check out the reviews. Okay, this is very important. For example, I will design a full lead magnet from a Word doc or blog post. This one has 75 reviews, most of them 5 stars, so it has an average of 5 stars, which is very good. Okay, just scroll down, have a look, and you're pretty much good to go. Okay, now let me show you how to look for services for people who are writing emails. You just have to type in write emails. Okay, and bear with me for a couple of seconds, and here we go. Okay, I will write marketing emails designed to convert. This one is new, it has only 1 review. So what you need to do is pay very close attention to the number of reviews, captivating emails, and see how many reviews they have. See which is the best price. I personally found a couple of people on Fiverr I work with on a regular basis, especially for writing emails and for writing sales page copy and other things like that, and it's very good. Another place where you can go if you want to look for other freelancers, but it's a little bit more expensive. I mean, you won't see their prices at $10 or $15 like on Fiverr, because on Fiverr you can write like 5 emails with $15 or $20. So it's pretty cheap. But another place for freelancers where you can outsource the email creation part and the lead magnet creation part is Upwork.com. Okay, you have to create a free account. You will see that you find different types of freelancers here. You can post projects and so on. Another cool place is freelancer.com. This is the most popular freelancer platform in the world. You probably know it already. Anyway, this is how it looks like. If you go over on the website, you can go and search for a freelancer. You can go and just browse the directory if you want to have a look. Search for freelancers. Let's see, copywriters. Okay, we look for copywriter, and you can see that we have different options here: copywriting, article writing, content writing. Okay, we have different options, different people who are offering copywriting services. You can see that they have different price ranges. For example, this one has an average 4.9 number of the stars for the rating. It has 40 reviews, so it's not bad. $20 per hour. It's a pretty decent price. Okay, it won't take him more than an hour probably to write a simple like 5 pages lead magnet or something like that. And you have different prices. You can even get something for $10 here, as you can see. Copywriting, article writing. Okay, so you have a lot of options to choose from. Obviously, you will probably choose someone with a good, let's say, with a good starting price point in the beginning, because you don't want to invest a fortune in this. Now, this is one of the places where you want to go and have a look. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope this was helpful for you, and that now you have a clearer idea and you can find better different solutions on writing your lead magnets and emails for your email marketing sales funnel. Again, thank you, and we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture.